Alright, I'm here at the Pixar Promenade. I'm thinking maybe I should get a better angle to see if I can find Liz, but what better way to go on the real? Maybe I can find her. Yeah, look, you and I, we'll all go out there and see if we can find her. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
I know, I've heard of it.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I've been looking for my wife. Can't find her anywhere. No, my wife's not in here, right? Have you seen my wife? No? That's not my wife. That's my mom. Is that your sister? That's your mom? Oh, okay. Alright, it's late in California Adventure. And it's kind of spooky in here at night. And let's go into Cars Land. Maybe we'll see Liz in Cars Land at night. What's that over there? Oh, flashing flash. Got Mater's toe thing over there. We got the Cozy Cone Motel.
Oh, what are you doing?
We got Fillmore's Fuel. Crazy, man. Got some scary things. Mater with bat wings. Mater's Graveyard Gambol.
We lined up the design, but no other parking.
Hold on here. It's a great environment. I love it. The Cozy Cone Motel. No vacancy.
Not that much of a hurt.
I think I saw eyes in the end of the building there. There is eyes at the end building. That's crazy. It's looking at me. The building is looking at me. Look, there's more eyes on the building at the end. Alright, Flo's Cafe. The V8 Cafe. Luigi's Tires. If you didn't see that video, watch that one. That was fun. House of Bodyguard. That's cool. And the farm, the firehouse. It's all dressed up in Halloween. Very cool place. Spark plugs. The curve feeler, Mr. Curve Feeler. Yes, you're seeing the founder. Oh, Radiator Spring Racers. Might have to go check that out. But that's it. Cars Land at night, but no Liz. I guess we'll have to keep looking. Well, we're in Cars Land, and we just walked all the way up and down Radiator Springs. Just can't beat that view, eh? That's amazing. But yeah, view of my wife, not so much. I can't find her anywhere. Liz, where are you? Well, keep watching because I think we're gonna go into Disneyland next. Maybe she's there. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll find her. Thanks for watching. Oh, nice.